Hello everyone. If you're looking to disable location services on your iPhone 16 for privacy reasons or to conserve battery, I'm here to guide you through the steps. You can choose to turn off location access entirely or just for specific apps. Let's dive in. Step 1. Disable location services completely. If you want to stop all apps from using your location, go to Settings, then scroll the screen to Privacy and Security. Then tap on the location services. At the top, you will see a switch for location services. Tap it to turn it off. Your iPhone will no longer track your location, and apps will not be able to use it. Step 2. Disable location for a specific app. If you only want to stop certain apps from using your location while keeping it on for others, go to Settings, then scroll to Privacy and Security, then click on Location Services. Now, scroll down to see a list of apps. Tap on any app and choose Never to prevent it from accessing your location. You can also select while using the app if you want the app to use your location only when it is open. Step 3. Please turn off significant locations. Even if you turn off location services, Apple still tracks the important places you visit. To disable this feature, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Location Services, then System Services, and finally Significant Locations. You will need to enter your Face ID or passcode to access it. Once there, turn off the switch to stop your iPhone from saving your frequently visited places. Step 4. Turn off location for Find My iPhone. If you want to completely remove location tracking, go to Settings, then tap your name, then Find My, and then Find My iPhone. Here, you can turn off Find My iPhone, but keep in mind that this will prevent you from tracking your phone if it gets lost. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off location services on your iPhone 16e, whether you want to disable it completely or just for certain apps. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.